Yo ho ho, and a bucket of prawns the tiller spins, and the captain yawns. Here we go, here we go, here we go. No we don't, no we don't, no we don't. What's a demonstration? Demonstration. It's when you show off what you can do. Like when Thomas and I have a race, said Bertie. Varoom, varoom. Harvey's different. He doesn't even look like an engine. Surely the Fat Controller won't let him pull coaches. He's just cranky on wheels. He's not taking my mail. Faster we go, pull him along, don't let him slow. Help! Ahoy there, Cranky. Where have you been? And a good day to you too, Captain. Hurry up, barked Cranky. I haven't got all day. You're no fun. You wouldn't be fun if you were stuck up here. So that's why you're cranky, said Bill. You're lonely, said Ben. I'm not, Cranky cranked. So it's company you be needin', said Salty. Reminds me of a lonely old Grand Bank's lighthouse keeper. Not another one of your stories. Oh, please, Salty, they chimed. We haven't heard it. 'Twas in the middle of a wee naughty storm, Salty began, the likes of which you see once in a lifetime. Whoops! You've blown the main now, matey. You're going to get into trouble. The Fat Controller knew that any delay at the docks could cause confusion. That reminds me of a story. It was a bitter cold winter. The brave little ship was stuck until the ice melted the next spring. Barely made it round the Cape. After 100 scary days at sea without a scratch, he sailed into port and crashed his bow, not 15 feet from my buffers. Luckily, no one was hurt. Set my ears. The mail run is done. Is there any more? I can deliver it for you in a jiff. That's what friends are for. Delivering the mail is an engine's job. Well, the mail must arrive on time, said his driver. Just get someone to pull me out of this haystack. Fancy taking the mail, Harold? Do you mind? I'm trying to sleep. So, you're the little puffer that's broken down. Thomas was cross. And you're just an old Sentinel lorry, he retorted. That would be vintage Sentinel lorry, snapped Elizabeth. And I haven't much time to get your coupling rods. Just catching my breath. And next time, don't be so careless. Oh, it's you, said Elizabeth, looking down at the Fat Controller. Have you learned to drive properly yet? She's for it now, said Thomas to his driver. Elizabeth, said the Fat Controller fondly. My first lorry. I thought you had been lost. Oh, shivered Thomas as he ran over the detonator. That made my axles tingle. What is it? That's loud. Too loud. Sounds like a tugboat to me, grumbled Gordon. Oh, bother! That foghorn is so loud it rattles my dome, and it doesn't even make my axles tingle. I can't see a thing. But my buffers. I don't know, said his driver. Fog detonators. I'm Jack, the front loader, he whirred proudly. I can load and unload and carry lots of things. I can haul and shunt. And I can get you two chatterboxes off to the quarry. I'm Jack, can I help? Oh my, no, Oliver replied kindly. Help Byron. I'm Jack, can I help? I don't need help, boomed Byron. Try Kelly the crane. Mind my paint. Isabella, scolded Kelly. Sorry, welcome to the pack. I'm here to help you work safely, said the banksman. No speeding and no horseplay, added the foreman. Now go and help Alfie. Safety first. I'm Jack. I'm here to help. More help means more dirt means more fun. I'm Alfie. Max, Alfie cried. Stop bullying, said Jack bravely. Can't you take a joke? Max grumbled and dieseled away. Safety first, she said firmly. Means you don't rush in where you don't belong. Careful, bumble bucket. Sorry. Don't jump in where you don't belong. Oliver, he said, this is your job, not mine. Thank you, Oliver said politely. I must be careful, I must be careful, I must be careful. Thomas! Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas. Spot on, Jack, she said. You'd make a mother proud. And a tank engine grateful, Thomas chuffed. Welcome to the pack, Jack. Jack was so happy he couldn't think of anything to say. So he just revved his engine and bounced his bucket. Driver says there's more snow on the way. We'll soon be burning our snowplows. You'll enjoy that, won't you, Thomas? You know I won't, said Thomas. I don't like my snowplow. Big, horrid, awkward thing. Bouncing buffers, exclaimed Thomas. My plough is broken. Cinders and ashes. Stop! Stop being pushy. Don't call me pushy. You shouldn't have pushed me into the cart. You pulled me, you mean. Didn't he? No. Did too. May I go, sir? I only need one engine, not two. I am only one engine, sir, and I would like to work with Duck. Won't you miss one another? He asked. I know I'd miss Annie and Clarabelle. I'll work better on my own. I have work to do. Did you shunt those trucks onto the other line? You said you wanted them on the other line. No, that other line. The other line. Douglas would have known what I meant. I was just passing, said Douglas. Have you come to say you're sorry? I've nothing to be sorry for. Look out! This wouldn't have happened if you were working with Douglas, he said. Donald's in trouble! Donald in trouble! Douglas cried. I'm on my way! And he steamed off as fast as he could. Thank you, Donald said. And I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, said Douglas. I'm sorry. You don't have to have a row about who's sorry, chuckled Duck. Just be glad you're back together. I hope Henry's mended soon. He moves more trucks than 3 diesels put together. Trucks are no one's friends. When the Flat Controller sees how good I am, he bragged to the trucks, he'll get rid of steam engines once and for all. Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger. Push us all, that's the longest. Push us all, you'll be the strongest. That's me, the world's strongest engine. What's Diesel doing? He thinks he's the world's strongest engine. Push, push, push. Heave ho, you can pull, but we won't go, sang the trucks. Help! Grease and oil. They say that on Halloween the ghost engine returns to the smelters looking for his lost woo-woo whistle. Ooh, ah, spooky! What's that up there? Thomas squeaked. Is it a spook? It's just a piece of twisted scrap, Percy said nervously. Isn't it? Careful the ghost engine doesn't get you, Thomas said. There's no such thing as ghosts, snapped Percy. There's no such things as ghosts, he said nervously. Who's there? Something's got me. The ghost whistle. The ghost engine is after me. He's after me. I don't think he'll be late. Yes, sir. Bouncing buffers. It's the naughty gnomes. We fat men with big feet that make strange things happen. It's legendary. They steal your wheels and pinch your funnels. Yes, sir. What was that? Double bouncing buffers. Naughty gnomes. Oh, bother. Little green piggy in the middle. It's Slow Coach Percy. Help! Cried Percy. I'm not a truck. You have caused confusion and delay. Hello, James, oozed Harry. Can't I learn a thing or two from those who know? Just get my trucks ready and stay out of my way. Yes, sir. Little red piggy in the middle, just like Percy. I am not like Percy, huffed James. I am not a middle engine and I'm not moving. What is that? Why, 'tis a floating basket with folk in it. Whatever will they dream up next? We're out of hot air. Ah! What's happening? Oh, bother. Hello, James. Scary Jack Frost. Dinghy fried. Oh, help. I get dirty. I need washdowns. Gordon only does it to feel important. I am important. I'm an express engine. You're a pouty puffer, Percy. No, I'm not. On, they cried. Oh, no, coughed Percy. I'm filthy. Clickety-clack, don't look back. Dirty Percy's on our track. Be quiet. Hello, Percy. Oh, no. Yuck! I've never been this dirty. You look good enough to eat. Pudding, Percy. Chalk ice on wheels. Disgraceful. Ahem. I'm going to get new buffers. Well, I should get new buffers too. We're twins. We do everything together. But you don't need new buffers. You're only getting new buffers because you're clumsy. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Will you two stop being grouchy? Mavis scolded. Now, come on, Bill. We've got work to do. Ooh, said Bill. Phew. I want new buffers too. Just be happy you're in good working order. It's not fair, Bill huffed, and he wheeshed soot all over Mavis. Bill. Oops. Sorry. Poor Bill. He works, he suffers, while Ben, his twin, gets brand new buffers. No. Bust my buffers. I think you have. Bitter cold, bitter cold, bitter cold. My phone lines are down. I tried my hardest. Help! My wheels are wobbling, he cried. I've got to reach the other side of this bridge, gasped Toby. Those lambs need me. You made it. What a brave engine you are. She's a coloratura. What's a coloratura? It means she can sing high notes very, very loud. The Fat Controller will choose me to collect her. I'm the brightest and the shiniest. Nonsense. I'm the most important. Well, one thing's for sure, he won't choose Dirty Percy. Don't call me Dirty Percy! Alicia Botty screamed. Definitely a coloratura, said Gordon. I can't possibly travel in a coach that riddles with the mice. Look at the little green engine, Alicia Botty exclaimed. So sweet and dirty, like a proper steam engine. Peasant. Yes, I am pleasant. Uh-oh. Oh! The driver tried to put on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop. Oh, boy! Clear the lines, it's a runaway train. Thomas had never been so excited. Want a race, Thomas? Beeped Bertie. Never mind. Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon. Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon. Overtake me? I didn't notice. You didn't notice the fastest engine on the island, said Henry. Yes, I am the fastest, Puff. Duck should play with other ducks, 'cause he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 quack. Hold back, hold back. I'm a plain-speaking engine, so collect your trucks and be quick about it. Bossy boots. Pushy puffer. You're supposed to be helping me, but you're as slow as snails. We are proper engine. We follow the rules. We can't send up more than 4 trucks at a time. Then work faster. I'll show you how fast a really useful engine can work. Nothing to it. I can handle trucks. I'll show that smelly diesel and those lazy steamers. Boots and buffers, he cried. It's got me. Help! Glug, 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 he said. Bluggle my broiler. What a waste of time. Hello, Thomas. Look out, small fry. Watch out. Sorry, I didn't see you. You're smaller than you look. Hurry up, half pint. Not half pint. It's small fry. Ha! Break's over. Back to work. Small fry is hearing things. Big heart. He's always in a hurry. Don't worry. I'll make sure you don't back into anything. Oh, boy. Not me. Blistering buckets. Ned, you've knocked over the slates. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. It's not fair. Where's Ned going? He knocked over some roofing slate. Thomas is taking him back to the yard. What's wrong? Wait! Wait, Miss Jenny! Ned didn't break the slate. I did. I'm sorry you got blamed for my accident. I should have owned up earlier. That's all right, but I'm glad it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Roasting radiators, it's hot. Out of the way, young uns. Someone important is coming through. What makes you so important? Concrete. We're important too, but I'm the most important. Is Patrick the most important? Nonsense. Patrick can't pour his mushy concrete until I level the site. That makes me the most important. Slow down. What's got you racing around in this heat? Patrick said he was the most important. Is that true? Oh my, no, rattled Oliver politely. Digging the foundations is the most important, and that's what I do. Transport. Without transport, there wouldn't be any construction. That makes me the most important. Banksmen. They're in charge of safety. They're definitely the most important. I'm the most important. I am. I can haul more in less time than anyone else. More, and hurry. If you say so. Slow down. I'm the most important. I am. Look out. Oh, flatten my fenders. Not my fault. My beautiful concrete. My beautiful blue paint. Not even Patrick. I might have said something. Grand. Splendid. Obviously. Hurry up, he scowled. Hump. Hurry up there. But I found something. Look. Rubbish. It might be important. Amazing. This is a dinosaur bone. A dinosaur bone? Yes, sir. Ooh. Makes me proud to be an excavator. It's Oliver with his dinosaur. Hurry up. Help. I can't even bounce my bucket. The fuel truck's broken down. Stop. There's been a mudslide. The road is blocked. Yuck. Isabella. I knew she'd do it. Don't fall asleep. I'm thinking. Sodor Racetrack. And the winner is Buster, the fastest steamroller in the world. Vroom. You think you're fast. If you were going any slower, you'd be going backwards. Can I test it, Miss Jenny? I'm the fastest steamroller in the world. More like the slowest. I'm ready. You couldn't beat a snail. Not even a sleepy snail. You jumped the signal. Did not. Which wasn't very fast at all. Ow! Cried Max. You've dented me. You're in the way. Said the bull. Ooh! Said Monty and Max. Go, Buster! Cheered the other machines. Hooray for Buster! Go, Buster! Oh, no, it can't be. I came second, cried Max. Third, snapped Monty. Varoom, he said. I did come second, said Max. Third, snapped Monty. We'll have to move the trees today. You can rely on us, Steam Buster. Everyone's got a job but me. It's not fair, he puffed. I want to help too. Oh, my goodness, she cried. Molehills. Yippee! Molehills! Hundreds of them! It looks like a giant currant bun. Only green. He's good. Very good. Well done, said the coach. I hope it's not too spooky. Me too? Rubbish. It's just a story. The deepest, darkest part of the forest. Then what happened? That was the best story yet. I hope I never meet the one-eyed truck. Me too. Stuff and nonsense. It's the one-eyed truck. Scaredy. Yes, sir. I hope. And that? I don't know. It's the one-eyed truck. He's after us. It's the one-eyed truck. Well, what's behind us then? It's Thomas. Thomas! Percy cried happily. Too hard. Uh-oh. This is bad. Look out. Can't you send someone else? Kelly, there is no one else. Isabella's in trouble, said Miss Jenny, and we must rescue her. Oh, dear. Be careful. Oh, mind my paint, the cheeky truck cried. Hello, Nelson. Just once, he thought to himself. I'd like to be carried. You're heavier than a bulldozer and a steamroller put together. I'm only a tank engine. You're a very good carrier. Thank you. I pull trucks and coaches all day long. It's good to be carried for a change. I'd like to be carried sometime, said Nelson, but who would be big enough to carry me? I'm taking you. Thank you, everyone. It's an excellent day. Safety first. Yes, Miss Jenny. But glorious, but... Look at that. A work of art. Push my buffers. Oh. Max and Monty were still up to no good. Ready, go. Watch out. Help. I'll get him. No, shouted the foreman. You'll get stuck too. I'm coming, Alfie. Grab my blade, called Byron. I can't reach it. Careful, Byron, shouted Miss Jenny. Careful, you'll sing too.
I've got it, shouted Alfie. Hold on and strain.
Well done, Byron.
Yes, well done. Well done. Well done, shouted everyone. We're sorry, Miss Jenny, said Monty and Max. Today I get to demolish, knock buildings down. Safety first. Oh boy, said Ned. I can't wait to knock this building down. Stand back if you please. We need a bigger wrecking ball. Can I help? This is the strongest wall I've ever seen. Sorry, but the wall didn't fall down. Oh, bother. Look out! Oops. Hooray! And ouch! 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 Bust my buffers! I'm loaded! I did it! I did it! Cried Ned proudly. Smashed to smithereens! He steamed. Do you want me to break anything else? Ow! No! It was struck by lightning. You'll know. Safety first! Look out! Cried Alfie. You'll hit the tree! Shouted Jack. Who put this here? The tree's falling down. Not my fault. We must save it. Help, Jack! I'm coming, called Jack. Move aside, little fella. Kelly, shouted Jack. We need more help. Get the props. Look, you can see it from here. How dare he say we'll do? How dare he say we'll do? Those are my coaches, he muttered. Give them back. Don't want new coaches. Don't want new coaches. Oliver hasn't cleared his signal box. Oh, the earth's crumbling. Huh, worry wheels. Fussy funnel. To the quarry. Do it right. Don't interfere. Out of my way. Wait for the all clear signal. Do it right. There he goes again. Do it right from morning till night. Keep your funnel out of our quarry. We'll do it wrong. Ah! Look out. Help. We'll pick up the trucks. Bother. You were very brave to help me. I'm on my way to pick up the brass band. You useless little engines are always in the way. Please, sir. I'm stuck. Tune up your tuba. That's not music. Thank you. My boiler's grumbling. Useful engines don't complain. Hurry up, Henry. Oh, I'm worried about Henry. Are you all right, Henry? No. Oh, thank you, Emily. You're looking so much better. Well, they've mended me tubes, but they didn't even look at me brakes, me gauges, me squeaky wheels. All in good time, Henry. Silly. Keep your dirt away from me. I'm collecting the mare today. I should do that. Really? You'd need a wash down first. Pa. Just look at me, Gordon. Show off, grunted Gordon. This gave Gordon an idea. Is collecting the Queen of Sodor important work too? Very important work. Do I have a volunteer? Very important work. I'll do it. Then it's settled. She's waiting at the canal. Thank you, sir. I'm here to collect the Queen of Sodor. That old tub. Gordon tricked me. He wants me to get dirty. I'll show him. A shiny engine like me never gets dirty. How did you manage to stay so clean? I have to stay clean, in case there's important work to do. Good. It will make me readier than ever. I'm such a splendid engine. But I'm too thirsty to feel useful. I knew it. It'll be a piece of cake. Tea rooms don't live in cakes. It's just my way of saying it would be fun and easy to find the right place. Thank you, Peter Sam. But I don't know what to do. I can't make up my mind. What a shame I can't build a tea room in each place. Oh, it's beautiful. I told you it'd be a piece of cake. I'd be proud to. I told you it would be a piece of cake. A root to toe, we want to go. The fruit's going off, 'cause you're too slow. Chug, chug, chuff, you tug and huff, but you're so rusty you can't even puff. Trucks should do as they're told. You can't catch us. Wheesh! I'm sorry. there's a storm on the way. The windmill is broken. The Fat Controller was cross. Please, sir, the windmill has been broken. Lord Callan's castle.
By Castle Lock.
Scared the monster might get you? He might.
There's no monster.
There is two. There is not. Is two. Is not. Is two. There it is. We're almost there. We'll never get to the castle now. Splendid outfit, sir. What's that? Is it the monster? For sure it is.
It's not. It's us.
Ah, a splendid pair of engines. Okay, agreed the twins. An important job. You know the mountains better than any engine, said Rusty. But Rheneas wasn't sure his best would be exciting enough. He felt like a very little engine indeed. These lines are too bumpy and uneven. Oh no, this line is closed for repairs. Bust my buffers. Phew. It may be sunny now, matey, but there be a storm coming. Aye, aye, sir. What's wrong? Nobody likes being made fun of by silly tank engines. Goodbye. It's no nice to copy the way others speak. You hurt Salty's feelings. Right on time. Aye, but there's a storm coming. We must hurry. I'm a Great Western engine, he chuffed one day. I shouldn't have to shiver. Begging your pardon, Mr. Oliver, but I think snow is splendid. Harumph. Just an observation, Mr. Oliver. Snow is magical. Pah. Oh, shiver my boiler. Yes, there is. That could have been a little smoother. I'll be out here all night. I was right all along. There's nothing magical about snow. Brrr. Perhaps, Mr. Oliver. Definitely. And a fussy one, too. He's fallen in the water.
Nonsense. I've pushed heavier loads than this plenty of times.
Let's go, Duncan, said his driver. Look out! Slow down! I can! Hurry up! I'm a busy engine. Ahoy, Murdoch! Welcome, Murdoch. What's the longest train you've ever pulled? Have you worked Marseille? Have you ever crashed? Please, no need to be rude. Toby! Bar. Don't interfere. Hello. Are you happy to be here? No, but duty calls. Pegasus. I'm sorry, sir. Engine trouble.
Thank you, my dear.
Where's Skarloey? Hold tight. I want to get out.
Not now, dear.
There's the Fat Controller. What decorations will you have, Gordon? I can't see. Ha! Hurry, Gordon. I must have a leaky tank. Stuff and nonsense. Oh, thank you, Thomas. Help! Thank you, sir. The children race with eggs and spoons. I won. My very own medal. Thank you.